Today, we're at Adrian Hall Garden Center, right here on Snaky Lane in Feltham. And let me tell you, now's the time to visit because they have an incredible 50% off sale on almost everything. Now, with Halloween just around the corner, there are spooky decorations, lights, and even some amazing Halloween-themed planters and accessories. And yes, they're all on sale. From indoor and outdoor furniture to lights, plants, Halloween decor, firewood, and so much more, there's something for everyone. But you'll want to hurry because things are flying off the shelves. Let's check the Halloween collection. Just look at these amazing Halloween decorations. And they're all 50% off. Moving into the indoor items, you'll find an incredible selection of indoor items. From stylish lighting fixtures to unique home decor pieces, you can update your space for half the price. Whether you're looking for something modern, rustic, or festive, Adrian Hall has a wide range of items to choose from, all discounted. With 50% off, it's never been more affordable to elevate your garden design. Why not mix and match different shapes and styles to create a unique look? Plus, you can get creative with how you use them. They're perfect for not just plants, but also decor and outdoor organization. Whether you're looking for a new patio set or something cozy for those chilly autumn nights, you'll find it here. With colder weather on the way, now's the perfect time to stock up on firewood. Look at these great deals. Firewood items, kindling, and even wood storage options are all 50% off. And don't forget the little ones. They have a great selection of toys, perfect for early Christmas shopping. And everything is, you guessed it, to 50% off. And check out the plants. They have everything from perennials to seasonal plants, plus a massive selection of plant pots, all at half price. Perfect for sprucing up your garden before winter sets in. And check out these gorgeous hanging baskets. Whether you're looking for seasonal flowers or something that will last year-round, there are plenty of choices. Take a look at these beautiful outdoor plants. From evergreen shrubs to flowering perennials, you'll find a wide variety here to suit your garden. These plants will not only survive the colder months but also bring life and color to your outdoor space. Plus, with half off, now's the perfect time to grab those plants you've been eyeing. With so many plants, pots, and hanging baskets available at half the price, you can give your garden or outdoor area a whole new look without breaking the bank. But hurry, with 50% off, these items won't last long. So come down to Adrian Hall Garden Center and grab what you need to make your outdoor space truly shine. So whether you're shopping for your garden, your home, or gearing up for Halloween, you're going to find amazing deals here at Adrian Hall Garden Center. But hurry! With deals this good, stock is going fast. A lot of items have already sold. So make your way down to Adrian Hall before it's all gone. Thanks for coming along on this tour today. See the link in description for Adrian Hall to check offers online. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more local finds and deals. See you in the next one.